I do not have fear anymore. I don't care if you bash or like me anymore. I will tell you the truth. Let me drink a little coffee. Sana drama na lang to. Sana TV show na lang. All these food, they taste like metal. This watermelon for you tastes ordinary, but for me, watermelon and dragon fruit for bowel movement. That is the correct process of healing.